Yo, what is up, guys? It is Tom back with another cryptocurrency video. Before I start off, I want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. I think we're almost at, like 950 subs, so that's awesome. I only started this a couple months ago. But congratulations to all of you that got in on QUANTSTAMP. I know a lot of us in the community were accumulating this pretty low, 9 or 10 cents. A lot of us got in at 16 cents also. And it's just been on a great run up. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, I remember this at like 200 million market cap, and now it's almost at 500 million. Now, I will say I did take some profits just because I was up so much, and it's good to just take profits regularly. I am bullish on QuantStamp for the long term, obviously. I think this can easily be a $3 to $5 coin without a doubt. Reason being is as Ethereum grows, as more people start building on the Ethereum network, I think there's going to be a good use case for QuantStamp to really run security audits and make sure smart contracts are safe. That being said, guys, that's a quick update on QuantStamp. Obviously, we had a little bit of a market correction, so to speak, this morning, but I was doing my research on it. A lot of you were messaging me, and really what sparked this was coin market caps. They kind of did like they reworked out how they calculate market cap. Essentially, they took away all the South Korean exchanges, so that really sent some of the coins. It appeared that they looked to be down like 30% because, as you guys know, they over there in South Korea, things trade at like a premium, so to speak. So this created like a lot of selling. People were freaking out, but Coin Market Cap should have announced this to us. They didn't. They just kind of popped up on us and changed the way they did things without even letting us know. So that was really annoying, guys. But if you go to coindesk.com, I'll leave the link in the description, read the article. But essentially it says CoinMarketCap, perhaps the go-to source for cryptocurrency market data, has sparked an uproar after it moved to exclude South Korean exchanges from its price average calculations. That's why everything perceived to be down so much. Obviously, I think a lot of people panic sold. There was a lot of uncertainty, a lot of FUD going around in the market. My honest opinion, guys, we've seen an incredible bull run in the altcoin space. I do think it was a little bit due for a correction, but I don't think this correction. Obviously, a lot of people are saying this will be the year for the altcoins. I kind of agree and disagree with that. I just think that things are growing so exponentially, we need to kind of slow down. And that's why myself as a trader, I always like to take profits regularly, accumulate low. You don't want to be buying into these FOMOs. A lot of people have been messaging me about pack coin, this coin, and most of them are pump and dumps, guys. Look for solid fundamental coins with a good team and accumulate low and sell into strength. So this video is going to be about AirSwap, and AirSwap is a coin that I've come across. A lot of people, it's been circulating around the community very recently, and the reason why I like AirSwap, because I think it'll solve a key problem here in the cryptocurrency community, and that is exchanges, guys. I mean, Ether Delta, I don't want to like kind of throw shade at any one exchange, but Ether Delta is Cryptopia. It's just like, we dread having those exchanges. There's malfunctions, there's hacks, security is a major risk. And sometimes, like when I try to transfer, say, $1,000 in Bitcoin from Binance to Cryptopia, it'll show that it went through on my Binance, but it doesn't show up on Cryptopia for like 10 hours later. So, I mean, exchanges are really, really terrible. And I think AirSwap creates a great idea of a decentralized exchange where everything's settled on a peer-to-peer sort of transaction network built on the Ethereum network. And I think this is going to be very big due to the fact that people are fed up with these exchanges, and this provides a good alternative. An alternative. However, this is what I will say. I think as government starts to come in, regulate the space, decentralized exchanges such as AirSwap will impose a very good alternative and a way to kind of combat that government intervention. So that's kind of what my bet is. Also, the team is incredible. And, if we go over here to the team, if we look at the advisors, guys, which is very important. This was kind of my thought process on Wax token. As you know, I got in the ICO. Quick update on that. They will be distributing 1-to-1 ratio of Wax to us in Q3 of 2018. So hodl your Wax, guys, and you will double your investment. yeah, that's just a quick update on Wax. But the reason why I really got into Wax, not because I'm a big gamer, I know there's a market for it, because there's big advisors on the panel, such as, Mike Novogratz was an investor in Wax. And look what we see as an advisor here. We see Michael Novogratz as an advisor on AirSwap. Obviously, I've known of Mike Novogratz for a while, reading about him a lot. He was at Goldman Sachs, hedge fund manager at Fortress Investment Group. He's really a pioneer in the cryptocurrency space. But what I want you guys to understand, and kind of my thought process here, is Michael Novogratz is very bullish on Ethereum, right? So he invested into Ethereum very low, I think around like 80 cents or so, and he's been riding this wave pretty much to the moon. Obviously, I am not the biggest fan of Ethereum, but I am a fan of Ethereum at the same time. I know that sounds hypocritical, but Ethereum is just so insecure. It's not scalable, but I'm going to bet on Vitalik that he can solve these scalability problems with Ethereum 2.0 that should be coming out. So fix all those problems. But, AirSwap, I think anything that really involves Ethereum, Michael Novogratz is bullish on. So, Wax, obviously. That's why I think that why I'm holding QUANTSTAMP, because Mike Novogratz could come out any day now and say, hey, QUANTSTAMP is a great tool for securing Ethereum smart contracts because he's so bullish on Ethereum. So hey, that's just all speculation. I like the project, but Mike Novogratz is an advisor here on AirSwap. Check out the team, very credible team. It's just a great project. So if I go into the white paper a little bit, I kind of want to not really explain to you guys, but obviously you can go check this out for yourself. But peer-to-peer in cryptocurrency on blockchain, it's pretty much why I really got into this space, because I don't like middlemen. I don't like governments. I think everything can be easier if it's just peer-to-peer transactions where there's no room for error, things like that. So with their peer-to-peer, it says alternatively, peer-to-peer trading enables individual parties to trade with each other directly. Most of the transactions we make day to day are peer-to-peer, buying coffee at a cafe, selling shoes on eBay, or buying cat food on Amazon. So what does that mean? That means like we're kind of seeing a shift in this paradigm to where we don't have to go through a third party for everything. We can like kind of make interactions and settle them without a middleman. And that's why I really like AirSwap. And the way I kind of think of this, and I was reading a Reddit post, AirSwap is kind of like the Craigslist of exchanges, right? So you can agree with someone peer-to-peer, and the way this will kind of back you and make you feel safe about it, I was reading it's called the Oracle Protocol, which was pretty cool. I still have to do my research on this, obviously, but I do think that this is really cool, guys. So if you go to the white paper, definitely take a look at this Oracle Protocol. Obviously, still much research needs to be done, but I did start a position. I was actually trading AirSwap yesterday, made about a couple $100, closed out my position, looking to build up more capital to invest in AirSwap for the long term. So an Oracle is an off-chain service that provides pricing information to makers and takers. When pricing an order prior to delivering it to a taker, a maker may ask the Oracle for what it considers a fair price suggestion. Likewise, having received an order, a taker may ask the Oracle to check the price on the order to verify that it's fair. So this is pretty cool, guys. It's a cool concept. I think AirSwap will be an absolute game changer in the space of exchanges. Obviously, I think it has a long way to go. It's very low market cap. Right now, let's see what it is. Do I have the coin market cap here up, guys? I think I could just kind of look it up. I think it's like I think it's not even in the top 100 yet. What is the ticker? AST, I think. Let's see. Yeah, so if we see this, guys, yeah, pretty much the market took a big hit due to this whole coin market cap going crazy. But yeah, AirSwap, guys, I have a good feeling about this one. It's still very low market cap in comparison to everything else. If we kind of do this as a comparison to the market cap of QUANTSTAMP when it was around these levels, guys, that's significant growth. I think AirSwap can easily be a $5 to $10 coin in the long term. Market cap still low. It has a great team, good fundamentals, very credible investors and advisors behind the project, and these are the type of projects I like to get myself involved in. I really don't like to get myself involved in the pump and dump projects. Obviously, I may trade them, the pump and dumps, a little bit, just so I can build up capital to then invest in a good, solid cryptocurrency project like QUANTSTAMP, like LISK, like AirSwap in this case. So I think market cap could grow exponentially. Obviously, like we've seen with some of these exchanges like KuCoin, which I'm very impressed with, market cap has grown as users grow. Obviously market cap grows. So I think that we could see a $1 billion market cap for AirSwap. I'm giving it a buy. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is my own personal opinion, guys. You have to do your research. I'm pretty much going to spend the next couple hours here, probably till about maybe 3 or 4 o'clock before I hit the gym or something, going through the white paper, reading some of their posts on Reddit, looking at their social media, seeing if they're updating a lot. Yeah, look at this, what we got out of here. QuantStamp has among the highest quality teams in a segment of the crypto economy. Progress on, excuse me, guys. Progress on product and visibility of all of the above is, in my opinion, likely to increase throughout the year 2018. So obviously a lot of people are bullish on this project. I love the idea of decentralized exchanges. I will definitely be using this, but I think there's still a long way to go. I think we're in the early stages here, guys, but let me know what you guys think. There's a lot of controversy about going to decentralized exchanges, a lot of controversy about AirSwap because a lot of people don't like Mike Novogratz for some reason, which I don't know why. I like Mike Novogratz. I mean, he's really made that transition over to Wall Street, to the cryptocurrency community, and he's a bull, but he's not a blind bull. Take profits regularly, guys. Let me know what you think about QuantStamp. Let me know what you think about AirSwap. And my long-term bags here are probably going to be QuantStamp, AirSwap, and LISK. I could definitely see LISK being probably over $100 coin, without a doubt, in my mind. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe to the channel. I try to do cryptocurrency updates every single day here for you guys. I'm going to be doing another video about technical analysis, a couple other ICOs that I'm looking to invest in. I'm going to pull some of my money out of an ICO that I hit big on. I made about $20,000, and that I'm probably going to spread that out over AirSwap, maybe QuantStamp again, but I really want to see the market cool off. I think we're due for a little bit of a pullback, and always take profits regularly, guys. You always want to be ahead of the game. You don't want to be left holding the bag. So that is all I have for today. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new. Drop me a comment what you think about these coins. And if you want me to look into a specific coin, let me know and I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. Congratulations on your gains, and I will see you in the next video.